In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D Parallax interactive website with no code using Wix Studio. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step to make your website visually dynamic and engaging. We'll start by getting familiar with Wix Studio, an intuitive platform that's perfect for building impressive websites without any coding expertise. Once you're settled in, the first thing you'll need is an element that can be enhanced with a parallax effect. This could be an image, a background, or any component that benefits from added depth and motion. Choose an element that stands out. Images with a strong depth or appealing visuals are especially effective when combined with a parallax effect. Now, let's dive into the process. After selecting your desired element, click on the cell where you'd like to apply the parallax effect. You'll notice, on the right-hand side of your Wix Studio interface, a lightning icon. This icon is your gateway to a whole world of interactive features. Go ahead and click on it to reveal more options, and look for the one labeled Scroll. This section contains various scroll-related enhancements that can bring your web page to life. Under the Scroll section, you'll find the Parallax option. By clicking on it, you've effectively enabled the parallax effect for that particular element. What's great about this is that you've essentially added a layer of interactivity with just a few clicks. No coding required. It's a simple yet powerful tool to create an engaging user experience on your site. Next, it's time to see your work in action. Previewing your changes is essential to ensure everything looks exactly as you envisioned, and to make any necessary adjustments before going live. Hit the preview button to experience firsthand the newly added parallax effect. Watch as the element you selected springs to life, moving in delightful harmony as you scroll past it. This not only adds depth and intrigue to your site, but also elevates the overall user experience. And there you have it. This is all it takes to create a rich, interactive 3D parallax effect on your website using Wix Studio without writing a single line of code. It's a testament to the power of modern web design tools that enable anyone to create professional-looking websites with ease. So, go ahead and experiment with different elements and effects. Each tweak can bring your vision one step closer to an engaging online presence.